Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the January 2025 Dollar Bead Box and Dollar Bead Bag subscriptions to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to their website where you can go and read about both of their subscriptions and how they work and see what all the different payment options are and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I have a coupon code. It's THJ2. And I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below. That'll save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off an order from their online store, but you can only use it one time. So I'm going to pop it open here and we'll take a little peek and then I'll organize everything. Dollar Bead bag's always on top. Oh, we got pretty pinks this time. Looks like they're getting ready for Valentine's Day, probably. There's a little paper that tells you everything that's in the box. There's a little peek at what's in the box. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I'm going to start with the Dollar Bead bag. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And there's 50 beads on each strand. And as usual, I'm going to have to guess at these colors. I'm not real good at identifying colors, which names go with which, but this first one's pretty easy though, because I've got a 3mm and a 4mm of the same color, and it's dark pink. Those are just really, really pretty pink fire polish beads. And then next is raspberry luster or dark raspberry copper. I think that's this one. I'm not sure, but I think it is. Or it might not be. That might be this one. One of them is raspberry luster or dark raspberry copper. One of them is matte copper or matte Victorian bronze. So I'm not real sure which is which, but they're just both beautiful. Just really, really pretty. This is probably the bronze. Matte Victorian bronze, I guess. Or copper, I don't know. They're just really pretty. And then I believe this one is, it says Siam or matte Siam. That's just really pretty too. And then in the 4mm, I already showed the one there that was dark pink. And then I believe this would be the opaque light rose. It's a really pretty pale pink. And then I think next is this one is Alabaster Ruby Luster. Really, really pretty. And then the last one is either Matte Siam or Ruby Maria. So I think this is probably the Matte Siam. And then the box, it says, Happy New Year. Here's to an amazing 2025. For the January box, we pulled our inspiration from next month's celebration. Creating jewelry for Valentine's Day can be a delightful way to express love and appreciation. Whether you observe the occasion or not, even if Valentine's Day isn't your tradition, crafting jewelry inspired by themes of love and connection makes for thoughtful gifts or timeless pieces for yourself. The January exclusive offer for Dollar Bead Box subscribers is 10% off check glass drops. Place an order anytime between now and midnight, January 31st, and save 10%. Select check glass drops in the shop listing to see all the options. Use code DROP10 with your order of $20 or more. And then on the back, it's got everything that's in the box. So, more paper to stand up here. So I'm going to start out with the strands. So first I've got 6mm check glass bellflower, Siam or pink, 25 pieces. This would probably be the pink. These are really pretty little bellflowers. I love to use these to hang off earrings, or you could hang them off of a fringe bracelet, or make a focal and hang them off of it. They're just really, really nice, really pretty. And then next are check glass gem cut rondelles, 3 by 5 millimeter light pink, and there's 25 of these. Little bitty light pink rondelle beads. And then next is check or Chinese crystal rondelle, 1 by 2 millimeter. Mine is crystal, and there's 120 pieces of these. It's either opaque red or crystal. Those are really pretty little tiny crystal beads. You could either do bead weaving or use them as spacers in some stringing project. And then next are 3 millimeter check glass druck beads. The color is cherry, and there's 66 pieces of these. Those are really pretty. And then next is 8 millimeter check glass cherry flower, red copper, and there's 25 of these. Little flower beads. And then last in the strands is, it says 4 millimeter or 6 millimeter check glass pearls. The color is rose gold, and there's either 20 if you get the 6 millimeter, or 40 if you get the 4 millimeter, I think. I've not counted these, but let's see, they're probably the 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah, there'd be 40 of them. Oh, well, I guess these are the 4 millimeter then, because there's 40 of them. Those are really pretty. You'd think by now I could tell whether bead was 4 millimeter or 6 millimeter just by looking at it. I can't always do that if I don't have one to compare them to. And then in the other items, I have 2 check glass hearts, 11 by 16 millimeter. The color is pink with red. Get them on my pen here so we can see what they look like better. Oh, those are really nice. And then next is 2 pieces check glass twisted oval beads, 12 by 18 millimeters, and the color is pink opal. It's such a pale pink, it's kind of hard to see it, but that's what those look like. It's really neat. And then next, show you these two together because they go together. Check glass wild rose. These two are 13 millimeter, and this one is 18 millimeter, and they're opaque red with gold wash. So this is just a cool little pair of earrings and a pendant. Those are really nice. Really, really pretty. And then next are 8 pieces check glass Baroque pearls, 7 by 12 millimeter. The color is white. Holes in these pearls are very tiny, and I've got this big thick head pin again. Those are really neat. There's 8 of those. And then we have some check glass hearts. 8 millimeters. The color is cyan. There's 6 of these. Those are really pretty. And then next is a pewter filigree heart, 16 by 20 millimeters. That's really pretty. Really good little, tiny little pendant for a necklace. Of course, you could use it as a charm if you'd rather, on a charm bracelet or something. And then next are 2 10 by 20 millimeter check glass drop beads. The color is opaque pink opal. They're really pretty. Hang them off a pair of earrings. And then next is a vintage style check glass heart. It's 18 millimeters and it's ruby with copper wash. The holes down through there like that. It's really pretty. And then next are some check glass melon rondelle beads, 6 by 8 millimeter. Color is ruby AB. That's what those look like. All these colors just all go so well together. And then next are 4 check glass table cut rectangles. I don't know if I said there were 6 of those melon beads. Check glass table cut rectangles, 4 of these, 8 by 12 millimeters, pink opal or cherry. This would probably be the pink opal. They're really pretty. And then last is a 30 by 32 millimeter silver tie heel butterfly. That's just really neat. The same on both sides. All goes down through there like that. And be a really cool pendant on a necklace. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the January 2025 Dollar Bead box and Dollar Bead bag. All kinds of pretty hearts and flowers and pink and red beads in this box. Can't believe 2025 is already, well, almost here. Today's New Year's Eve, so we'll be here in not too long. Just seems like time is flying away. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box or the bag and you decide you want to be, that coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.